An architect is much more than just a designer of buildings. Before you hire an architect, it is vital to understand what architectural services are. The architects are highly trained and licensed professionals who tend to provide important professional services that benefit their clients and also the generic public. In this video, I will highlight the range of architectural services that you can expect from a professional architect. So what to expect from the architects? Architectural services include the planning and designing of the buildings and locations along with the administration of various construction contracts. Design and planning carried by an architect encompass much more than merely the organization of building and its aesthetics. It also ensures the designs of the building are as per the zoning, safety requirements and building codes. In construction contracts, the architects act as an agent of the client in order to protect their interest. Now let's learn the phases of building development and the architectural services. The very first one is pre-design and schematic design. This is the initial consultation phase of any architectural service. In this phase, the architect meets the client and accurately defines the basic requirement and purpose of the project. The pre-design services provided by an architect include master planning and research on the building or shopping centers or site of the project. The general design or concept is then developed into the schematic design as per the client's feedback. The schematic design provides a rough idea of the look and organization of the building. The requirements of the project are clearly stated as well as understood during this process. The second phase is design development. Once a design is selected, the architect will initiate the development of a rough sketch of the working set of elevations and plans. The shop drawing is carried forward through 3D modeling. Moreover, the shop drawing aims to offer the fabricators all the essential information vital for manufacturing, assembling, and installing the required components. This phase is very essential as the client gets an overall understanding of the project before the work begins. As a sketch is usually developed through 3D modeling, a proper review can be done which will create a big difference. The third phase is construction documents. During this stage, all the elevations, plans and other drawings are refined through 2D and 3D rendering to produce specifications on the project, which is known as drafting. During this phase, the architect works along with the client to select the most appropriate and affordable materials to ensure a high quality project. The architect also coordinates with civil or mechanical engineers needed for the project. A full set of documents are developed and the final drafting is done during the phase to minimize any problems or any issues. The fourth phase is demolishing old buildings. The architect along with the contractors, subcontractors and other workers also tend to demolish the old buildings to construct the new ones. The fifth phase is construction contract administration. During the entire construction process, the architect serves as the client's agent. He makes sure that the whole process of construction is carried out very smoothly, efficiently and professionally by the contractors and subcontractors and is according to the shop drawing and specifications. An unsupervised contractor might ignore the shop drawing or in an attempt to increase their profits, they might cut corners. Architects generally act as unbiased and independent observers as their rates are predetermined. In the absence of architects' watchful eye, contractors and suppliers can compromise with the quality of the products and the structure. So what is the takeaway? Architectural services cover project management comprehensively. Anything and everything that the owner can't manage can be handled by the architects. Hence, you must hire an architect on hourly or project basis depending upon the scope of the work. Some of the other services provided by architect include helping the clients go through various laws related processes that are necessary for the construction of the new project. They also tend to provide any additional instructions if required and resolve any issues related to construction or shop drawings and accordingly approve any further changes deployed by the construction professionals. They are the ones resolving any conflict between contractors, workers and clients. So the scope of architectural services is way beyond 2D rendering and 3D modeling. Now, if you are considering any architectural services for your business, then I recommend you to consider Apex Service Solutions based in Kosovo, Eastern Europe. This company offers a range of services from shop drawing, doors and windows takeoff, interior partition wall takeoff, drafting, 2D rendering, 3D rendering, and 3D modeling. Hire an architect or outsource your work if you want to sit back and see how your vision shapes into the reality through professional hands.